I saw this post on Twitter by the Moon Cow. He now has over 1.2 million followers, and I have, come on, you guys should just subscribe to my channel already. He said in the video,
so Bitcoin had 1 year bear market, 3 year bull market, then 1 year bear market, 3 year bull market. Now look at that. We've seen a 1 year bear market. This means 3 year bull market.
So crypto actually have seasons, which I have taught in my masterclass. So since the invention or the launch of Bitcoin in 2009, a 4-year cycle has been noticed, and other cryptocurrencies launched after Bitcoin have followed this 4-year cycle. This cycle also correlates with Bitcoin halving. The question now is, how do you trade Bitcoin in the bull season when you don't have the time and you know that it has more or less hit the bottom and it's going to gradually or rapidly go up in price from here? You can either buy it and hodl, or you use a grid trading bot to trade it as it climbs. Number one is pretty obvious. Everybody can do that, right? But for number two, the grid trading bot that trades indefinitely as Bitcoin rises in price can be found on BingX. Here on BingX, there are 3 types of bots: futures grid, spot grid, and spot infinity grid. The first 2 have upper and lower limits, so it will stop trading when the coin price rises or falls below this limit. Spot infinity grid does not have an upper limit, so it trades indefinitely as the coin rises. I will set this up and leave it for 60 days, after which I will come back to make another video to show you guys my results. I'll compare the value of the coin if I had bought it and kept it, and the value when I give it to the bot to trade for me for 60 days to see the one that is more profitable. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video in 60 days. I'll be funding my account with $300. If I buy Bitcoin with this money right now, it will give me 0.01297. So take note of this so you can compare in 60 days. To set up the bot, you go to grid trading, then you go to spot infinity grid and click on create. Here you will see that we have auto and manual. Now I like to use auto. The bottom price is 18,367. That is what is suggested by the bots, and I like to leave it that way. So all I have to do is to put in my $300 here, and I'll click on create. I have successfully created this bot. You can see it here. Now this one is a bot I have created before and it is still running. If you want to learn more about BingX, grid trading bots, and my result in 60 days, then click this video.